Up $2,000 to start the day. This is just a smaller account I have on the side. But $2,000 on the day. We got the Mastercard calls are $13 in the money. $13 in the money. We have two of them, up 250% on them. Yo, the Mastercard
Absolutely love
550
that stuff.
calls are up 256%.
Sheesh.
Trimming one out here.
Uh-huh. That 314.
I mean, if you short bill breaker, it's a little late to it though. Right under it.
Gonna short with you.
Oof, Tesla, good lord. Yeah, Tesla taking a little bit of a dip in the morning. Everything will pull back.
Come on, shorties. There we go. Scale some out. Yes.
25-point gain M&Q covered a quarter.
Let's go.
Here comes
There we
my
go.
low.
Scaled out. Okay, 22,254. I've got a level if it holds for longs. But I don't like longs, especially up here, because we're really overbought on the higher time frames.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, I'm a wait.
Let's just go see all-time highs today. But the issue is I don't know if I'm gonna be in anything. I flattened all my near-term longs last night. And I'm really trying to be really aggressive, y'all. Maybe work off of, I don't know, like a 5-minute opening range or NQ 22,350. On a dip, I'd be okay with seeing down to 29,090, 090, 120s. That's as low as I want to see it go today, though, if as a buyer. Probably also I'll look to initiate some new swing longs if we see it later this week.
See you later.
Look.
Yeah, still just sitting in this chop range from the pre-market here, so.
I took my profits. Because the first 10 to 15 minutes, it's basically hyper scalping. Still matter with you. I don't think I've ever been there.
Does look good. It's about to break
What?
out. What?
I've never been either. Cracker. Barrel. I don't know. I've never been to Chipotle.
I've only been to Chipotle once, and the other one that I go to, Salsa Fresca, is so much better by like miles.
Still no clear direction, guys. We're in a chop zone right now.
Yeah. I love how the ceasefire isn't a ceasefire.
Pushing here.
Probably gonna bring us down a little, eh? Because they're supposed to have ceasefire.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, what does that mean though? Just buy it.
Just buy it.
Buy the dips.
I mean,
Top.
I know. Okay, meta dropping. Nvidia's rising. Tesla, major drop. 11 points here. Just went red.
Nope, we held that.
Yeah, I guess hardware's back in play. Chips.
Gold is getting
Chips
murdered.
Continuing to rip.
Gold down 2.4%.
It's a tight range, guys.
Tight range.
The leaders. Google's about to be a leader soon. I got long it yesterday.
So consumer confidence at 10 and some Richmond manufacturing data.
Powell testifying as well as 10.
Yeah.
Yep.
What is he testifying about?
How big his schlong is.
Damn.
Same thing he always suspected. They're just gonna make.
He's got to prove it to Congress that he's hung and he can continue doing his work.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got consumer data in like 20 minutes. That should give us a better direction, for sure.
Like, I know he's already talked about it. He will never wear green or red because it's too emotional. Want to see him switch before? I don't think he has. 4-hour candle trying to flip green. Again, I'm more bearish after taking weekly highs, but we can push to these overnight highs before really trying to get the sell-off if we're going to try the sell-off at all. But I mean, this is
149s that I took last week that have been underwater that added to that are now finally coming back to life.
Yeah. I mean, and I'll have levels higher if we want to keep it going, but I mean, this is for anybody that's a part of that subscribes to the weekly newsletter that I write on the Wolf Financial Market Madness newsletter. You know, like all the bullish targets have been hit, and so I mean, we got the move, and now it's like, okay, this is all I was really bullish to.
Try some light longs on NQ here.
But then I have Rizzo in the back of my ear, just like all-time highs.
I'm waiting for us to pull back down to 22,314 to go long. If it holds.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to base it off of, but should react to it faster. I'm gonna risk 22,300.
I think we'll get a little bit of a pullback here.
Nice push. Let's go see those overnight highs.
Stopped on
Yeah.
the remainder of the MNQ short. A little tag for me.
Brazil, are you long?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's looking good to the overnight highs so far. We'll see what happens. We got that internal high from that's like 5:30 Eastern time that we could probably get some rejection off of potentially, but I wouldn't expect a reversal off that high. BK, good morning.
BK?
Good morning.
What do we got today, BK?
Says
What's the tick?
Trendy?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
You're the VIX crossing 18 down now.
Let's see if it holds here.
You know, I don't know about everybody else, but us being this close to all-time highs, we were talking about it on the future show this morning. Would have expected VIX to be much lower than 18.
Just so much stuff going on.
True.
Yeah.
True.
VIX down, what, 9-10%?
But I think it's actually it's a blessing that it's staying like that because we're able to continuously have that bit of volatility even when we're this close to all-time highs. It's awesome. So I'm not complaining. I say keep it, but I know it's going to go away at some point. It's just hard to realize like VIX can be trading at 12, 13.
Long.
That's rough. Minxie's long. I wasn't saying your long is rough, by the way.
No, her long is rough.
I'm a scalper, so I mean, you know.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Her long is rough.
I just wanted you to know I wasn't talking shit on you.
No, it's all good.
I just bought some Oscar.
It's all jokes.
Ooh, that's an Nvidia breakout. Next resistance is 148.97 Nvidia.
Whoosh.
Take that back,
Yes.
BK. I have 149 calls.
Yeah. Keep pushing. There we freaking go. Scale of thumb. I know it's not a lot, but
I was gonna say, I looked at the chart, I thought we were 50 points.
I am so zoomed out, Minxie. I can't even tell if I'm up or down on my position.
well, I went in a
Rizzo,
little
I'm with you.
heavier.
Me and Rizzo are in the same boat. I'm like, I'm on such a higher time frame, I didn't even see a fucking tick difference in the candle.
my stop loss is in profit right now, so whatever happens,
Good.
happens.
I added to my Oscar longs and my Oscar 919 calls.
I heard that. Fucking dog.
TTD daily channel is teasing a breakup finally.
Give us 350, 350.
Yeah, I got my trim set at 352, 351.
Come on.
Intel, less than 20 cents from 22.
Talk about moving the goalpost there. You should be like, guys, Intel breaking out. We're at 50. Intel's at 22, guys. Good job. Good work, team.
Intel never recovered from me from a year and a half ago. I got in calls, and the government started investigating them the next day. That's why I should never play options. It's just nothing.
Poor Minxie, just like
You almost delisted Mobileye.
Smoked.
Yeah, Mobileye too. I got into
Well,
Mobileye.
Mobileye literally like OTC once you got in it.
I got in at like legit when it was. I don't know what happened with it.
They're hot.
Later.
Almost went to OTC.
This is first cross of VWAP on Google.
Heard, Chef, heard.
Coming back here. Sweep. If this holds, like closes into that or above 324, we possibly see Lorb high 384.
Jesus. Can I move my stop loss up?
CrowdStrike is shockingly weak today. New low day.
Yay. I'm out on my runners, so
Yeah, I'm just watching here. I'm still gonna just wait for this data.
oh yeah,
I like
that
these upper wicks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're tapping into a 15-minute bearish imbalance, and that's a nice slap out of there for sure. 4-hour candle's flat here. Nice slap, look at that.
Yeah.
And okay, I gotta stop those.
And you had that profit. See, I can't do that.
Yeah, but it's like I'm playing 3 cons. I'm up what 15 points. Like what the fuck am I supposed to do with that?
Well, and the difference is, I think, too, for me, Minxie, for instance, it's a lot easier to let a trade go to my stop loss after being in profit or, like, be break even when I know majority of the time I'm going to get my full TP of fucking, whatever, 70, 80, 100 points, whatever it may be. And so, like, even though I guess it sucks, don't get me wrong, it always sucks when that trade goes back to, like, break even, but I think when your risk to reward is so big, it makes it a little easier. At least that's kind of my perspective on it. I don't know how you kind of feel, Rizzo, but it's kind of my perspective on it.
Advisor Hassett said we will see a sequence of trade deals around the 4th of July. The administration has been focused on getting the one big beautiful bill passed through Congress.
Beautiful bill.
I thought that was a joke with the name.
Oh no, that's no joke.
Yeah. Now I know.
Yeah, I mean, like once I'm in a trade, like I'd rather not move anything, only because it's just more decisions I need to make.
Yes, exactly.
Making one decision in the stock market's hard enough. Like you make more. So I mean, like sometimes like I'm looking at order flow and I'm like, okay, maybe I shouldn't be in this position. But it's like there's been times where like I feel that and then I cut it, but then I'm like wrong again, right?
Yeah.
So
most of the time, once I make a decision, I'm like you, Rizzo, I won't move my stop unless I've like seen clearly. Because here's the thing: since I played, and I know you kind of obviously you're taking slightly different entries at different times, but like you're doing the same process over and over.
Good morning.
Right.
I'm coming down hard.
Oh yeah.
Good morning.
And,
Good morning, Ava.
I'm doing
Sorry, I was just like, has anybody seen
You're
this?
Okay, I'm waiting to see if we can flush. Low.
Crowd as well.
still just in this range here.
Yeah.
They did just try to flush it. They didn't get it.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if we can flush through it and then retest on a rejection or retest rejection to take a short.
This is a mixed bag with the Max, Microsoft low day, Apple drilling.
And we got that data here.
Yeah.
Couple minutes.
And then Powell talks to Congress.
Mm-hmm.
let's see. This light bids down in the 95. It's like as low as I want to see NQ today.
Tesla, oof. Nice pullback. Hood ripping. Almost 80 bucks. Hello. 4%. Amazon, AMD, all ripping, looking good. Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft having a harder time.
I'll be right back. My dog's just need to go to the bathroom.
at 93.0. So both numbers came below. Why are we pushing?
Yes.
What do you mean? The number just goes up, right?
Yeah.
But no, the numbers, the Richmond numbers were better. All right, the CB Consumer Comp